the secret. During my travels to China, I came to realize that economic growth is virtually guaranteed. Let me show you an example what I'm trying to say. It is not as difficult as we make it out to be. This bedroom suite was always imported from places like Italy and China for many years. We decided to manufacture this bedroom suite. We are able to make this kind of bedroom suites in high gloss material in South Africa. The industries in South Africa is the wood industry. It is controlled by monopolies who keep on increasing prices, which makes us uncompetitive. So we need to deregulate some of these industries or be able to give preferential pricing so that the manufacturing of these products can become more competitive for export. At present, we are manufacturing it for local consumption, but we could easily manufacture it for export. If you take a further step, these handles that are made in China, but the raw material like the nickel, there are plenty of that mineral resource in South Africa, but we are exporting the liquid nickel out and we're getting the finished product. It's very easy to manufacture this type of product. If you take the iron and steel, then we are able to process the draw runners here, which are imported from China. Going on further, if you start looking at other products as well, like lounge suites, these suites are being imported from China because of the cost, but it can easily be made in South Africa. The genuine leather can easily be made in South Africa and instead of being imported from China. South Africa has some of the richest minerals in the world. It has about 70% of the platinum reserves where catalysts for cars are being used and converted into the exhausts. In Rustenburg, the raw material ferrochrome used to be smelted and manufactured into chrome, but now it is all being exported. For example, these frames that you see here from the TV stand and from these frames are being imported from China, fully assembled form. It was sent out as a raw material, mineral ferrochrome, and it comes back as chrome finished product. The glass you see here in the TV stand is flat glass. There is only one manufacturer in South Africa that is making flat glass, but they also cannot manufacture where it is powder coated in white. It has got the tempered glass so it doesn't break easily. So all of these things are, the raw materials have been brought from South Africa and Africa. So we can easily manufacture. So in order to transform our economy, the raw material and mining industries can add value exponentially if we start to produce the finished product. If you look at the PVC material on this chair, it is also being imported, but the raw materials are coming from Africa. Similarly, if you look at behind the chair, you find the chrome and the steel products as well that are imported. So in a small way, if you look at every single product here, this carpet rug has been imported from Turkey. It can be manufactured in South Africa. It used to be manufactured. Before 1994, manufacturing contributed 32% of South Africa's GDP. But after 1994, due to the policies from government, manufacturing was no longer viable. People lost their jobs, and today it only contributes 12% to GDP. We need to rapidly re-industrialize South Africa because we have the skills, we have the raw materials here, and we have the geographical positioning to export into America through AGOA and into Europe through the EU agreement without any customs duties. So here is a simple way of showing an economic growth plan destined for success, and it is easily implementable because I've done it in my own factory. I was an importer, I became a manufacturer. So I'm not talking from the textbook, I'm talking from reality.